Hi, Mr. Simonson here. My information's on the last slide. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about dual credit physics. This is a course where you can get so many credits. It's not just dual, it's really triple. Let me explain. Physics 12 is the regular Physics 12 you'd take in any BC school, and Physics 104 is the Camosun first year physics. So this is a partnership between our school and Camosun, and you can get credits for both Physics 12 and Physics 104 at Oak Bay. Plus, Camosun will give you 4 credits. So if you were to go there, or even go to a university like UVic that has the equivalent Physics 102, they call it at UVic, you can get another 4 credits. It's really 12 for the price of 4. And the price, by the way, is 0. We run the course in the timetable at Oak Bay. So that the teacher from Camosun will come, for example, this year during F block. And the only co-requisite is English 12, which most of you will be taking in grade 12 anyways. So the college Physics 104 is the one without calculus. So it's primarily for people going into the life sciences and non-science programs. So you might think you don't need this if you're taking, for example, engineering or pure physics at university, but you still have the credits. So it's useful because you can graduate a little earlier or take one less elective course in years 3 or 4 when you need some extra study time. So and it's a lot cheaper. 4 credits at a university are quite expensive. So the Camosun instructor comes to Oak Bay and lectures, and then we try to get up to the Camosun Lansdowne campus for at least 8 of the labs, depending on things like COVID. We're doing labs up at the Fisher building is really it's kind of fun, and they have a lot of great equipment. And then the Oak Bay High teacher, which this year is me, Mr. Simonson, I would finish off the curriculum, the Physics 12 curriculum after that. Oh, here's the map of the Lansdowne campus. That's just the one up at the top of the hill, and the Fisher building is the science building up there. It's a 20-minute walk or a 5-minute bike ride. It's really nice, and we would do those labs after school. Physics 12 is the regular course that we have many blocks of every year at the school, and there's a lot of different topics. These are just the big ideas. So if you're interested in what's uh, happening in Physics 12, please come and talk to me, or you can read about it on the school website. So there's a lot of overlap between 104 and Physics 12, but electricity and magnetism is one area that I would teach after the Camosun part is done. So here's the credit I mentioned already. You get 4 plus 4 here at Oak Bay, so 8 high school credits, and then 4 more that you can carry into a college or a university. Pretty great. If you're interested, there's a few things you need to do to sign up, but really you just have to choose physics dual credit on your course form when you fill those out next week when the counselors come and visit your classes. And there's some other information here about where you'd have to go, the career center, and Ms. Giesbrecht, Mr. Alexander, they're super knowledgeable about any of the dual credit courses. And then really just come and talk to me. So if you're wondering what it's like, big question is it way harder? And I would say no, it's a tiny bit harder, like 10% maybe, but you're really doing 2 courses at once, which is pretty awesome. So you can call me here, or sorry, email me here at this address, or just pop into room 234 anytime and talk to me about this. Okay, hope to see you next year in dual credit physics.